This is Zboy MNTBN. Previously on akong life.
Boy, Montebon. Pakita mo yung mukha niya, pre. Yun! Palagi na ako nagbablog to kahit maliit na yung mga bagay na ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. Boring talaga ng araw na to. 150 sa akong lola. Wow! 4 of spades. May nangyayari po sa simbahan. Be the first to aming iibigin. Masarap pagmahal na bakla. Hi guys, so dahil sobrang extra namin ngayon, maglilinis kami ng bahay.
Ayun, zaba nga. Nagbisita ka. Malimpyo lang.
Ay, malimpyo, magita basta naibisita. Okay, so, you know, we have chickens here in our house. And this is their first egg. Prize for you. Nagitlog bitaw ang manok. Oh. Come on, it's amazing. So yeah, the boys are just interested about this one. So what is now happening, Yuri? Just tell us.
Shake.
What? Where? Focus. What the look at what I have. Your glass is lit. You're being unfair, huh? Unsa din nami?
Hindi na pa ako napaparkingan ang naas ko. Ang kilid.
Basta naman yak. Ay mang tali. Cooking a lumpia. I so love it because of the cheese. Like, come on, you can pay her so that he can cook in your kitchen or something. Well, we haven't taken a bath. All of us here in the house haven't taken a bath. Like Chikel, Mommy. Have you taken a bath? Yeah? You haven't. Yo, be Toyski, what's... Hey guys, good morning. Good afternoon. It's already 1 p.m. And today we're gonna do crafts and stuffs with my mom, of course. She usually watch Facebook as a lit thing to do the, cell phone case or something. She's here. So, kinahanglan ko no dapat nga gamito na kay katong plastic nga para sa prutas. Amo to si pangalan ng plastic. Okay, mom's gonna put the plastic. So first thing you gotta do is to cover your phone with plastic. DIY. Look at my phone right now. It is covered in plastic.
Orange. We're gonna post that.
Yeah, I'm gonna post that. Oh, you're good in English, huh? What? Unsa na din mo? Unsa siya?
Wala gid ni awas me.
Okay guys, and we are just gonna get back to you after we finish this work, so bye-bye. Hey guys, so this is gotta be the finished product of what mommy did. So later, pinapaano ko pa lang siya. This is the finished product, guys. Let's see you!
He's like Jack when I'm kissing him, so I told him that I never really liked his friends. Now he's gone and he's calling me a bitch.
So this is, guys, this is the finished product. I have a case on my phone right now. Like, yeah. And today, we're going to 1, 2, 3, go. This is a family outing though. So okay, where are we gonna sit here?
Atawag siya dad.
Hi, Ted.
Hi, babe.
So where are we going right now?
To the bed.
Kasi it's a sponsor from Bello. So dapat hindi maano yung skin ng Teds ko. So that's why he's very covered up.
Yeah.
Where are we going right now?
I'm going to bed.
Oh,
Wow.
artista na.
That was cool. So my grandma is an artist a long time ago. Unsa na year ba? Yeah, 1971. She's an actress before, and yeah. Yeah. What? Oh my God, my grandma is one of a kind because she's the only one who is proud being a Bold Star. Okay, we are here. So I'm just gonna get going, right? Damn. I wish my camera is as good as my eyes because that is so good. Hi, Madam Jairus.
Hi, welcome.
Madam. Hi, Jairus. We're the Vogue and we're here to have these 73 questions.
Yeah, there's so many people watching.
Playing a volleyball here.
Yeah.
So how's the feeling, Maui Daday, that you're playing the volleyball?
I feel great. And so good.
About the volleyball thing? Can we have a content called taking photos in a cheap beach?
Yes, yes.
Oh my god, everything must be happy here. No fighting. That's no fighting.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
feel the sound.
Like I said, what the fuck? And Ted was just like, fuck. It's like it's her first time to say. That was so crazy. So guys, this is zboymntbn signing off for this video. If you like this video, click thumbs up. Tweet me at zboymntbn and anything else to add, guys. Gago!